Hi everyone, welcome back to Tuition Cikgu Ahmad with me Cik Mat, or also known as Team Maths. Okay, today is quite different, right? See that? This time we are going to go to try fractional algebraic section. Okay, so the question is 2a over 7 plus a over 7. Maybe, how do you think what they are going to do? It's alright because number 7, which is the denominator of the fractions, are the same. Both are the same. You see, here is 7, here is 7. So it becomes very easy. Why? Because with this, we can straight away place the final denominator as 7 as well. Is, sorry, not right one. Not that straight. Okay, one straighter. And what you have to do next is, of course, the numerator one, which are 2a and a respectively. So you just plus them following the sign here. So 2a plus a is 3a, of course. You know, 2a plus a is like 2 apples plus an apple becomes 3 apples. So the answer is 3a over 7, or sometimes we see it as this 3 over 7a can be true also. All right, so understand? If you are okay with that, then that's all for today. Keep practicing. Algebra is easy. Okay, bye.